Okay guys, so in 2017 I got a lot of fidget spinners. Like so many, so I'm gonna go over them with you guys. See which ones I have. Like I have a whole bin of plastic ones and like bad quality metal ones that don't really work. But these are the ones that I've like forgotten about. Like literally. And these containers, I'm actually gonna save these guys for last. But I'm gonna go this way, so let's move these two. This little fin, I don't even know. So yeah, here we go. I see a regular spinner there, so let's see. I probably have this blue because I love blue. And a lot of these won't have very good spin time. I'll just do a rate, I won't time them. Like this one's already stopping. So yeah. I'm just gonna move this. There we go. Okay. Now let's grab this flip spinner. It's just this interesting yellow one. It's actually darker yellow than it looks in the camera. It looks okay. It's the best camera I've filmed with. Because I used this to film with my iPad, but then I noticed that my phone had a better camera, so I started filming with my phone instead. Try to guess what phone I have. Give you some options. 6, 7, 8, or the regular 10. Because I have kind of an older phone. It still works. After many years. It's at least 2 years old. Okay, I'll just tell you. It's a 7. iPhone 7. I have a Neochrome rainbow here. Nice. I see another one. I used to have like a bunch of these metal rainbows. I'm excited to keep going because I bet these are what all of them are because I had none in that box. This one's cool. Oh my god, this one's like maracas. I remember this one, it's like maracas. It's literally like maracas. Surprisingly, when you spin it, it's really quiet. I remember this claiming 3 to 5 minutes, but it never spun that long. Here is this one, and I can't open the container. This is one of my first ones I ever got, actually, before I discovered these rainbow ones. It used to spin really good, but now it only spins for like, I remember back then it used to spin for like 2 minutes, now it spins for like 30 seconds. It spun for like 30 seconds, but then I wonder if it got any better any worse. Seems like it's better than 30 seconds, so it might have got a little better. I used to get like 32 back then on it. And like 20, before I stopped, I forgot about my spinners, like right before, like a couple weeks before I started. Then I stopped playing them for like a week or 2, then I just forgot about them. So yeah, around, it was probably like the day I stopped playing with them around. This rainbow Neochrome. It's really big. Star. Oh, it's not really spin good. Like, look at this. It's not spinning good. Oh, it spins better than this side. There we go. Okay, let's try this. It's easier for me to bounce it on my middle finger. Cool. Next row. So now here's this thing. It says hand spinner. High quality, long rotation time. Okay. If I can get it out of the package. Oh, there we go. Oh, this doesn't sound good. I used to get like 4 minutes on this guy. It's not looking like it's gonna do very good though. I guess we'll just. What is this? Oh, this is by a good company, High-Tech. Oh, I think I know which one this is. I think this might be the Serif that you've seen in my videos, but it stops super fast. Yep, it's the Serif. And the caps actually broke, so they don't like screw on anymore because the screw thread fell in the car somewhere. So like, watch this. I can literally just let it go, and it comes off. So yeah, I mean it still spins, and it doesn't spin long anymore. Like 30 seconds is the best I would probably get out of it. It's gonna stop any. I mean, it's not too bad actually. I think on the table it doesn't do very good. I think it's just because I'm bouncing on my finger. Oh no, it's stopping. Okay, it's stopping. Now it's stopping fast. Yeah, it doesn't do as bad in my hand than it does here. Like lots, so I can just spin. It's really loud too. You can't see it. There you go. It wobbles around too. Oh, this one used to spin for like 7 minutes. This is like my best spinner, along with like my favorite rainbow one. Hope I'll be able to find it. It's not here. I think I lost it. I don't know. This one still spins smooth. It doesn't feel that. Like that already stopped. Like this will go forever. It's not too. This box is broken. I remember this spinner. I just opened the box too hard and it broke. It's pretty cool though. It's like brass knuckles, kind of. You can like put your fingers in. Spins really smooth still. Spins beautifully. Now this box. What is this? It's my wheel. This spinner was really good too. This is not for a long time. As you can tell, these two just go the wheel. Now look at this one. Great. This little spin. This is like a little spinner. I guess I'll go ahead and it's plastic. Look at this. This is another rainbow one. I think that's a rainbow one. I don't remember these two. Oh, and I have a spin cube. Oh, what the? I never knew I had a spin cube. This one's cool. It's like swords. It's really wobbly. This one never spun very good. I remember that. I'll just give these like a little spin. Really slowly. As you can tell, there they all are. I'll stop the ones that are going to take a while to stop. Okay, now let's do this. Oh yes, this is a rainbow, guys. This is a rainbow. This is a rainbow one. This is a rainbow one. And apparently it's not spinning. Good. What am I supposed to say? Okay, there we go. Now it's. What's happening to this one? Something seems to be something weird. I think the cap's on the wrong direction. The cap is like rubbing it. Yes, the cap is rubbing it. That's what's happening. The cap is literally rubbing the spinner. Got it. There you go. Now it's not being rubbed. So now it spins. I like this green and blue side. It's cool. Looks like that's been a while. Oh, this one's crazy. I remember the Skull Gear one. Another rainbow. I'm kidding. Ooh, this one doesn't spin very well. Try to spin with the gears. And I love this. You spin the gears. Then spin the spinner. It's a skull. Then this one here. It's like a wheel. It's cool. Whoa, that one's cool. What is that? That one's kind of cool. Whoa, look at this one. This one's cool. This one looks cool. So what are they? Whoa. This one's interesting. This one has like... Is this an LED? Yep. It's an LED. It's cool. It's different words. I like the one. Look at this. This has this cool effect. There's a compass, then a clock which says the around time. 7:16. No, it's not 7:16. And this one spins good too. Check that out. Spin. Moving on. We got a spin cube. Sweet spin cube. Spin cube is sweet. Can't bounce this one. Yep, I can't. That would be bad. Doesn't seem to spin now. And I loved that you like, these are like magnetic. So you like take them off. Then it spins on the table like a spinning top. Doesn't seem to be working. Then there's the bearing. Surprisingly not an R188. Be nice if it was. Wait, let's do this little one next. So this one I think I got at vacation in Montreal once. It was very little. It was cute. Doesn't spin one at all. And I'm pretty sure it's even worse here. There might be the bad side though, because there's two sides and it spins better on one side. Yeah, that's the better side. My favorite. This is my favorite. I love this one. I don't know why, I just love this one. It's been so smooth. I used to get like 5 minutes, almost like 5.5 minutes out of this one. This one here seems kind of weird in this case. Whoa, this one's cool. I remember this one, X. This is like one of the last ones I ever got. This one I got in a pack with this one, I think it was. Yeah, this one. I'm pretty sure if it's the right one. It was like a dual spinner. I'm pretty sure these come off. So does this one that spins for like that used to spin for like 7 minutes. Yeah, these come off, so you can like customize it. I'm gonna put all of them back on. This one never spun long. Now this one here. I believe this is the one I got. Yep, it was in the 2-pack with the rainbow on there. But I said it was my favorite. You can see, here it is. This one used to spin for like 2.5 minutes. Wasn't as good. And it's so wobbly when you spin it fast because of the dual arms. Say I spin it like this, he's like still a little wobbly. I'll give these two a little whirl. These are cool. This is slow, guys. There we go. Let's see what this is. Oh my god. On YouTube, this is like the most popular spinner. Everyone loves this bird. This Eagle Eye one. This never spun for long too. Give that a little spin. Oh. I remember this one. It's like I buy a cool premium brand, like Phoenix spinners. So it's like, this used to spin for 3 minutes, then I tested it once spun for like 1 minute. It's not bad. Give that a little spin. This one's the same thing. I think this is the same thing. Oh no, this says Phoenix Spinners and this says Phoenix Physics. So same company. This one is... Oh my god, I remember this one. This one is like the most one of the most premium best spinners I have. No way. I thought this one was lost. Guys, are you ready? This one's amazing. So tiny! And this used to spin for like 3 minutes, 3.5 minutes. Seems like it still has that spin time. Sweet. Well, yeah, I found some pretty good spinners. Let's spin these all and see which one wins. See which one will win the spin test. I'm gonna take out the spinner cube. So here we go. Give all these a nice spin. Then this one again. So yeah. There you go. See which one will win.